Hello and welcome back to How Do You Cook Back to Basics. Today I'm going to share with you how I make a grilled cheese sandwich. First off, you will want 2 slices of bread and then you'll want some softened butter. Spread that butter evenly on one side of each of those slices of bread. We are now ready to cook our grilled cheese. So as you can see here, I'm showing you the butter side of that bread. You'll need to put that in your pan, butter side down. Then you'll put your cheeses and make sure your cheese is spread evenly across that slice of bread. There's the other slice of bread with the butter facing upward. Now you'll want to cook your grilled cheese on medium-low heat. You don't want to cook your grilled cheese too quick because it could burn, and you really don't want a burnt grilled cheese. So let's look and see what the bottom of this grilled cheese looks like. Looks like it's ready to flip. So as you can see, my stove is a little bit too hot for the other side of this grilled cheese. So I'm adjusting my stove eye so that the bottom side of this grilled cheese doesn't burn. Well, y'all, I'm just going to leave it at this and let you guys just watch as I finish making my grilled cheese. I hope this video was informative and helps you along your way on making grilled cheeses. If you have any ideas of what you would like for me to cook next, please leave them in the comment section below, and I will do my best to get those out for you. Till next time, bye-bye now.